square shoulders or sloping shoulders. You may have a large bust or a small bust. You may be long-waisted or short-waisted. Magic Fit was developed to help solve fitting problems. The key to solving these fitting problems is taking accurate measurements. And today, with Jean's help, I'm going to demonstrate how to take these measurements. First of all, we're going to measure Jean, and you need to take these measurements in your underwear. But for modesty's sake on the camera, we've got Jean dressed. And we're going to take her bust measurement, and we're going to measure up fairly high on the back so we can take into account the shoulder blades. Then we're going to measure the waist. We're going to measure the high hip, the low hip, and then these are key measurements here. I'm measuring from her shoulder to the bust point, and to the waist, and to the floor. And then I'm also going to measure her arm, and I'm measuring her arm from the shoulder to the elbow and to the wrist. Now, we need to transfer these measurements to the pattern. This is fun. This is the pattern that Jean drew, and she began it by plugging in her measurements for the bust measurements, and then we've joined the dots. And then she put the curve in for the neckline, and did the shoulder seam, and put our neckline in, or our armhole in, and started down the side seam. And we've actually here used and marked her apex point here, and we've taken the cuff marker, and this is a tool that helps you with the cup size for your bra cup size. And we put this in here, we've lined it up with the apex and draw in the line. And we join the dots again and create a dart. And then we join this to the waist. And we take our French curve ruler and complete the pattern. Now this completes the front. We're going to do the same thing for the back. And we're also going to do the sleeve. Now to make this complete, we need to make a test garment. Now Jean has made a test garment that she is going to model for us. Would you like to go put your test garment on? Jean made the garment in a small check, so we can check the horizontal and vertical lines of the pattern. And we made a few alterations on the shoulder. And it's a little bit high underneath the arm, so we've sort of lowered it here. And we've also lowered the dart. We're going to lower the darts here, so if they get too long, they cup the tummy here. So we're going to do that. And the back looks fine. We need to take a little bit more, but a little deeper darts in the back here. Deeper darts in the back. You can see the pattern. You can see how this fits her extremely well with a few fine-tuned. And this is the same pattern that I made in the nice fabric, only I added buttons down front. All variations of pattern design start with a basic pattern like this. For example, if I take this dart out of here, I can shift the dart to the armhole, and I can further shift this dart to the shoulder. And if I remove this waistline dart out, you can see I have the makings for a princess line from the shoulder. And guess what? Jean has come along with a pattern, made one, using the Magic Fit pattern. Turn around to show everybody how nicely that fits. It's one of the biggest problems with a princess line is that quite often we don't have the fullness in the right place. And with Magic Fit patterns, we do get the bust fullness in the right place for the pattern. Now, additional information on how to use this pattern is available within your Magic Fit dress kit. You can also have classes available for this area, and also you can contact the fabric store that you're looking at this at for more information. Thank you.